Naveen Ul Haq. He's got him. He's bowled him. What a ball that is. He's just taken the leg bail. That is magnificent stuff.
Terrific delivery from Naveen Ul Haq, first up. That was a great delivery. They understand the value of early wicket with the possibility of due later in this innings. It was important that the fast bowler strikes early. Naveen Ul Haq with a beautiful delivery coming back into the right-hand batsman. That ball came long way back into the right-hand batter and taking the bail off over the top of the leg stump. Andy Bilberni goes for 9. 9 for 1.
Naveen Ul Haq. Oh, he's got another one. First ball, Tucker. He's on his way. Brilliant from Naveen Ul Haq.
Great delivery. Naveen Ul Haq striking again. Back-to-back wickets for him. And Tucker's poor form continues. Once again, that movement back into the right-hand batsman. Lovely seam presentation ball coming in, trying to hoik it through the onside. And Bales flying. Wickets tumbling down. Tucker goes for naught. 9 for 2. 2 in 2 for Naveen.
Got him. That's it. It's all over. All smiles. Afghanistan have done it. Look at that crowd in the it is all done here. Afghanistan have won by 57 runs. What a victory in the decider. They'll be so pleased about this. They went down in the test match. They won the one-dayers. And they've now won the T20 internationals. Good result for Afghanistan.
Yeah, brilliant. Winning by 57 runs in a T20 match. That's an absolute thrashing, truth be told. Outstanding bowling performance to back up a really well manufactured batting display from Afghanistan. That is as close to a perfect 40 overs as you would put in a T20 game. Rashid Khan winning the toss, get runs on the board, and the seamers tonight have been outstanding for the men in blue. Absolutely marvellous scenes. After losing the first game, Afghanistan, they were hurting. They came back in style.
They most certainly did. And you've got to take their hats off to them for the performance they put in tonight and yesterday to be able to pick themselves up after that first T20 international. That was the final wicket to fall. Pace off the ball. While he's enjoyed that, Naveen Ul Haq has performed outstandingly well this evening. Jonathan Trott, the coach, will be more than pleased.
I thought we were going to get a smile there from Jonathan Trott, but I was optimistic. But he will be happy. He'll be very happy with his charges. Afghanistan cricket board can be pleased as well.